third thing is that we don't have strong boundaries. We may ask for what we want, and then somebody might agree to the limit or the boundary or the agreement, but then if it shifts, we don't say anything. We don't hold that agreement. We don't hold that boundary. We get with our boundaries, and then over time, those boundaries get crossed more often, and then eventually we find ourselves in a situation where we're like, how did it get this bad? How did it get to this point where I'm feeling so victimized and taken advantage of? And it's because of that lack of strong boundaries. So there's quite a bit here around why we struggle with love, why we struggle with relationships, and so much more than I can share.